For years, the professional desktop landscape has felt slightly incomplete, leaving a massive, gaping void where Apple's most elegant powerhouse used to stand. Ever since the iconic space gray Intel-powered all-in-one was quietly sunset, creative professionals, developers, and tech enthusiasts have been forced to choose between the modular clutter of separate displays or the compact but limited footprint of the standard consumer desktop lineup. But a storm is brewing inside the secretive supply chains of Cupertino, and a massive wave of authenticated leaks has finally confirmed that the legendary Apple iMac Pro is making a triumphant, jaw-dropping comeback to reclaim its crown as the ultimate all-in-one workstation. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The architectural rumors surrounding this upcoming Titan suggest that Apple is not just building another computer, but redefining what a high-end, unified professional workspace can achieve by fusing mind-bending silicon performance with a display that rivals individual reference monitors costing thousands of dollars. Industry insiders and display analysts have pointed directly to factory orders that detail a stunning, expansive 32-inch canvas, signaling a massive departure from the smaller 24-inch consumer models we have grown accustomed to over the last few product cycles. This massive, new Apple iMac Pro is engineered specifically to cater to power users in the United States and global premium markets who demand uncompromising execution, silence under extreme workloads, and a singular, breathtaking aesthetic that commands the entire desk setup. To truly understand why the tech community is losing its collective mind over these recent revelations, we have to look closely at the foundational display architecture that Apple is planning to deploy for this premium machine. According to prominent supply chain reports and panels being tested in East Asian facilities, the upcoming Apple iMac Pro will sport a massive 32-inch mini LED display that effectively bridges the gap between consumer tech and the ultra-premium Pro Display XDR. We are looking at a native 6K resolution matrix that will allow video editors to natively view full 4K timelines with plenty of real estate left over for intricate tool panels, scopes, and side applications. By utilizing advanced mini-LED backlighting technology with thousands of local dimming zones, this new Apple iMac Pro will deliver deep, inky blacks that rival premium organic light-emitting diode panels while avoiding the permanent burn-in risks that plague professional monitoring environments. The peak brightness levels are rumored to exceed 1600 nits for high dynamic range content, which means that professional colorists working in sunny high-rise studios in Los Angeles or New York will have absolute color accuracy and visibility regardless of ambient lighting conditions. Furthermore, Apple is bringing its signature promotion technology to the large screen, allowing for a fluid, adaptive 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything from timeline scrubbing to rapid 3D asset manipulation feel butter smooth. The visual design language of this upcoming Apple iMac Pro is said to completely discard the playful, pastel-colored approach of the standard consumer models in favor of a commanding, aggressive industrial aesthetic. Leaked CAD renders indicate that Apple is opting for a deeply sophisticated anodized finish, potentially reviving the beloved space gray or introducing a menacing new matte black colorway that aligns perfectly with the Pro-tier MacBook and Mac Studio lineups. The bezels surrounding that gorgeous 32-inch panel are reportedly being slashed to absolute minimums, creating an edge-to-edge glass effect that makes the screen appear as if it is floating effortlessly above the desk. Unlike the consumer version, which famously features a prominent lower chin to house its internal components, the new Apple iMac Pro will distribute its advanced hardware across a slightly thicker, beautifully sculpted rear chassis with precision-milled ventilation slots designed to maximize thermodynamic efficiency. This structural shift allows Apple to hide the computing elements entirely behind the display, leaving the front presentation completely clean and uninterrupted, focusing the user's vision entirely on their creative canvas. The stand itself is rumored to be a marvel of engineering, incorporating mechanical adjustments for both height and tilt inspired directly by the high-end Pro stand, allowing professionals to perfectly align the massive workspace with their ergonomic requirements without needing expensive aftermarket mounts. Underneath that pristine glass and metal exterior lies the true heart of the beast, where Apple's next-generation silicon is poised to completely obliterate traditional desktop performance metrics. The most explosive leaks suggest that the new Apple iMac Pro will completely skip older chip generations to launch with options for the unreleased M5 Max and the colossally powerful M5 Ultra processors. Built on Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company's revolutionary 2-nanometer process node, these chips are engineered to pack an unprecedented number of transistors into a microscopic footprint, yielding massive jumps in raw computing velocity while drawing a fraction of the electricity required by traditional architecture. For high-end creative agencies, data scientists, and machine learning developers across the United States, the M5 Ultra configuration inside the Apple iMac Pro will offer up to a 24-core central processing unit and an astonishing 80-core graphics processing unit. This level of computational capability means that real-time rendering of complex 3D environments, compiling millions of lines of code, and training localized artificial intelligence models will happen almost instantaneously, transforming workflows that used to take hours into brief moments of real-time interaction. The memory architecture of this machine is equally staggering, with rumors indicating that the top-tier Apple iMac Pro configurations could be outfitted with up to 192 gigabytes of unified memory, operating at blisteringly fast bandwidth speeds exceeding 800 gigabytes per second. Because Apple Silicon utilizes a unified memory pool shared directly between the central processor, graphics processor, and the dedicated neural engine, this massive memory allocation eliminates the traditional bottlenecks found in classic desktop tower configurations where data must constantly be copied over slow system buses. Imagine opening multiple streams of uncompressed 8K raw video footage alongside massive audio design projects and complex grading suites without a single frame drop or system hesitation. The internal solid-state storage options will scale up to a massive 8 terabytes of ultra-fast flash storage, ensuring that professionals working on data-heavy productions can store entire active projects locally on their Apple iMac Pro without immediately relying on external network-attached storage arrays.